Yeah, there's my crazy crew. Give me one. Give me two. Very nice, very nice. Guide is happy with what he saw. Give me two. Hey, get ready. Might be a little bounce, no big deal. Just be ready. Callihan's is next. It's gonna be fun. Give me two now. Try and get my position. Give me two more. Two more. Stop. Give me two now. Dig them. Oops, Red messed that up. Give me three. Dig them hard. These matter. I'm offline. I'm trying to fix it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're looking good. Give me one more. Stop. Get ready. You're doing great. You've recovered. That is awesome. I'm impressed. Give me two now. Give me two more. Two more. Stay together. Give me three. Give me two. Give me two more. Go, go, go. Good job, Pete. Awesome, you made it.
This looks like fun to you. You can come rafting with me and my friends at Ocoee Adventure Center and check out the link for more details.